skeletal muscles are working all day, every day. Right now, you're using skeletal muscles to sit upright, move your hands, and take notes. Unlike cardiac muscle in the heart or smooth muscle in internal organs, skeletal muscle is voluntary, meaning you consciously control its movement. Skeletal muscle is attached to bones by tendons. When muscles contract, they pull on bones to create movement. In fact, skeletal muscle makes up about 40% of total body mass. Each skeletal muscle is made of bundles of muscle fibers. A muscle fiber is a specialized muscle cell, and inside each fiber are smaller structures called myofibrils. Within the myofibrils are repeating units called sarcomeres, the basic functional units of muscle contraction. Sarcomeres give skeletal muscle its striped or striated appearance under a microscope. Each sarcomere contains two types of protein filaments: thick filaments made of myosin and thin filaments made of actin. Muscle contraction occurs through a process called the sliding filament model. During contraction, the actin filaments slide past the myosin filaments, causing the sarcomere to shorten. As thousands of sarcomeres shorten together, the entire muscle contracts. The pulling action is created by myosin heads, which attach to actin and pull the thin filaments inward. This process requires energy from ATP, the cell's energy molecule. Muscle contraction is also controlled by calcium ions and two regulatory proteins called troponin and tropomyosin. When a muscle is relaxed, tropomyosin blocks the binding sites on actin, preventing contraction. When calcium is released inside the muscle fiber, it binds to troponin, causing tropomyosin to move away and expose the binding sites. This allows myosin to attach to actin and begin contraction. The signal to contract comes from the nervous system at a specialized connection called the neuromuscular junction. A motor neuron releases a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which creates an electrical signal in the muscle fiber membrane. That signal travels through the muscle fiber and triggers the release of calcium from storage areas called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. As calcium levels rise, the sliding filament process begins, sarcomeres shorten, and the muscle contracts. When many muscle fibers work together, skeletal muscles generate the force needed for movement, posture, facial expressions, and everyday activities like walking, typing, and taking notes.